In the land of Ho, where the sun shines bright and the rain waters the fields, Kodzo Abiu Kamasah and his family lived and worked on the land. Kodzo loved his farm. It gave food to his family. It gave joy to his heart. He worked hard every day, singing songs to the soil and the sky. His first wife, Adzowo, always helped him in the fields. His second wife, Gloria, sometimes helped and also sold food at the school. His third wife, Abina, was busy selling fish at the Togo market. The children, Forgive, Doris, Grace, Hope, Mawena, Remember, Etonam, Richard, Gideon, Julius, Paul, and Mabel played and worked together. Life was not always easy, but it was happy. One year, the rain did not come. The sky stayed dry. The ground became hard. The seeds that Kodzo planted did not grow. The crops started dying. Kodzo sang songs to call the rain. He prayed. He waited, but the rain did not come. The family began to worry. There was not enough food. The market became empty. Abena could not sell fish easily. Gloria's food stall had no customers. Fights started inside the family. Azowo cried because the farm was dying. Gloria blamed Kodzo for planting at the wrong time. Abena said she would go and work in another town. Kodzo felt his heart breaking. He loved his family. He loved his land. He did not want to lose either. One evening, under the big mango tree, Kodzo called all his wives and children together. He spoke softly. My family, we are like a big farm. Some days are good, some days are bad. But we must not break apart. We must plant again. We must believe again. The family listened. The next morning, they all went to the farm together. Even Abina, who was angry before, came to help. The children carried water from the river. The women planted new seeds. Kodzo sang a soft, hopeful song. After many days, small green shoots started growing. The land smiled again. The rain finally came, falling like music from the sky. The farm lived. The family lived. They learned that even when the harvest is lost, hope must never be lost. And together, they sang the old song of the Kamasah family. We are many, but we stand as one. A bright African sunrise over farmlands in Ho with mist and palm trees. Kodzo wearing colorful UV cloth, standing proudly in his green farm. Adzowo carrying a hoe, smiling warmly as she walks into the farm. Gloria standing beside a wooden food stall inside a school, selling food. Abena walking through a busy market with baskets of fish on her head. Children playing and chasing goats near a dusty village path. Kodzo throwing seeds into brown soil with hope on his face. Clouds gathering, but no rain falling on dry farmland. A cracked, dry ground with dead corn plants under hot sun. Kodzo sitting alone on a rock, head down, looking sad. Adzowo kneeling on the farm, crying while holding dry plants. Gloria standing angrily with her arms crossed at the farm edge. Abina walking away toward the Togo market, looking disappointed. A silent family dinner with worried faces under a mango tree. Kodzo looking at the sky, singing a sad traditional song. The whole family gathering under a giant mango tree at sunset. Kodzo raising his hand while talking to his family passionately. Children carrying pots of water from a brown river toward the farm. Wives planting seeds together with simple African tools, hoes, baskets. Kodzo playing a small drum softly, smiling at his children. A close-up of new green shoots sprouting from the soil. A small boy, remember, Kofi, laughing while watering plants. Heavy rain finally falling on the farm and filling the river. Kodzo and his wives dancing happily in the rain with colorful clothes. Children jumping and playing in muddy puddles joyfully. Abina smiling while selling fresh fish again in the busy market. Gloria serving food to happy students in the school compound. Azowo and Kodzo harvesting fresh yams together with laughter. The full family posing proudly in front of their green farm. A beautiful sunset over whole town with farms glowing in golden light.